Good morning, everyone. The topic for today's discussion is organic compounds and its classification. So, organic chemistry is the scientific study of the structure, properties, compositions, reactions, and synthesis of those molecules that contain carbon. It contains carbon hydrogen bond, and many a times it also contains some other elements like boron, silicon, sulfur, phosphorus, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. Organic compounds are associated with the living organisms like nucleic acids, fats, sugars, proteins, enzymes, DNA, and so on. Methane CH4, ethane C2H6, ethanol C2H5OH, they all are the examples of the organic chemistry. In other words, we can say that organic compounds contain CH bond. But as we know that every rule has an exception. So organic compounds without CH bond includes carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, and urea, that is CONH2 whole twice. Whereas inorganic compounds include salts like NaCl, metals, mineral acids, etc. Example of inorganic compounds are CO2, silver, sulfur, etc. The question is, what is so special about this carbon? So, carbon, of the millions of known compounds in our world, 95% have a single element in them, and that is carbon. Carbon is the smallest member and only non-metal of group 4. It forms 4 covalent bond. It forms single bond, double bond and triple bonds. It bonds to itself forming ring, and this property is known as catenation. Catenation is self-linking property of carbon, and it is due to this catenation that carbon is able to form a large number of compounds. The next one is classification of organic compounds. These organic compounds are classified on the basis of structure and on the basis of the functional groups. On the basis of structures, the organic compounds are classified as acyclic compounds and alicyclic compounds. Acyclic means without cycle, or we can say that it is in open form. Whereas alicyclic compounds comes from two words, aliphatic and cyclic. Aliphatic are the hydrocarbons containing CH bonds, whereas cyclic means ring form. So together we can say that alicyclic means aliphatic compounds in a form of ring. They are further classified as follows, which will be discussed in coming slides. The next one is the coming slide will be of acyclic or open chain compounds. The carbon atoms are present in form of an open chain. This chain may either be a straight chain or a branched chain. These were initially known as aliphatic compounds because the compounds of these class were derived from either animal or vegetable fats. Straight chain compounds. The carbon skeleton is in the form of straight